Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. I've received another package from AliExpress. I was looking for better 20mm NATO straps for my watches that would look good with matte buckles. So I searched on AliExpress and found a link with a pretty good review score. And here they are. Two ribbed NATO straps, one in olive green and the other one in black with gold stripe. They came in a simple basic plastic packaging along with bonus spring bars and a remover tool. And here's the strap. It looks nice. Now let's take a closer look at the strap. Here's the buckle with a matte finish, the metal loops. You can see the details of the webbing. It looks really good. The stitching also appears to be of high quality. And then now the second strap from the same series but in a different color, black with a gold stripe. Again, let's take a closer look. Here's the buckle, the metal loops, and the webbing. It looks beautiful. The stitching is also very good. Now let's put them on the watches. First is this Timex Expedition Scout 40mm. The case has a matte finish. That's why I look for a NATO strap with matte buckle. The dial is gray, so now I combine it with the olive green strap. Here's how the strap position on the back of the watch. And this is the result. It looks good, a perfect fit. Also, the strap's webbing details are just perfect. It really matches how the watch looks. Now, the black and gold strap goes to my old Skagen watch. And this is the close-up. It fits nicely with some degree of flexibility. And in case you want to know, the thickness of this strap is about 1.2mm. And here are the watches with the new straps. Pretty cool, isn't it? So yes, high quality budget NATO strap with matte buckle from AliExpress. And if you're interested, you can check out our affiliate link below in the description. Thank you for watching and have a great day.